Start by opening the Engraver app. Choose Pictures and select the image we saved. Now we crop the image. Then choose the black and white engraving mode. Connect to the machine via Bluetooth. And then we adjust the size of the image. That would fit into the wood sample. Also we adjust the laser power and laser speed of the machine. In here, we use 50% laser power and 60% laser speed. And then finally, we tap start and wait for file transfer. Remember to always wear eye protection when using laser machine. It takes 15 to 20 minutes to complete this engraving. So let's fast forward the video. The engraved outcome is great, clean, and exactly the same as the one we've drawn.